Meet the colossal crabs of the Pacific that scale trees and shatter coconuts with ease. On a remote island, these giant coconut crabs, the largest land-dwelling arthropods on Earth, have evolved into expert climbers and formidable foragers. With claws strong enough to exert a force 10 times their body weight, they effortlessly crack open the hard shells of coconuts, their favorite meal. These fascinating creatures can grow up to 3 feet in length, living up to 60 years. As they scuttle across the island, their presence is a testament to the incredible adaptability of life, thriving in a niche where few others dare. Witnessing their unique behaviors is like stepping into a real-life Jurassic Park, where nature's marvels are on full display. Their remarkable strength and size have made them a subject of intrigue and a symbol of the mysterious allure of the natural world.